Hey guys, it's me Madison, and I'm back in my room. I haven't been posting because I was at my dad's, but it's okay, we're cool. So, as you guys know, I've done 2 room tours, a room tour and an update room tour. I'm going to be doing the ultimate update room tour. So, while I was gone at my dad's, my mom and my grandma and my sister all did my room. My room's the same color. I still have my bed. I still have posters. I still have my dresser. I still have my piano. But I have a few things I got from my mom. So let's just get started. But if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe, like, and turn on post notifications so you can be notified anytime I post a new video. And if you want to be part of the Unicorn Squad, all you have to do is hashtag Unicorn Squad in the comments below and tell me your favorite part about this video. So let's get started. Alright, so once you enter through the door, and you see my laundry basket. This is new. On it says, on my laundry basket, it says wash, dry, fold, repeat. I guess that's what I have to do with my laundry. But I have laundry in there, so yeah. And that's new. I still have my picture of my friend. I still have my remote, and I still have my glitter. I have my dresser and my TV. I still have this, but something's new. I have a Wii. So this is our old Wii that we used to have in our living room in our old house. We used to play it all the time, but moved it in my room. I have nothing to do in my room. I just be on my phone. So I still have this. I have all my bows, my headbands. I still have my glasses. I should put those on. Yeah. And also, my sister gave me her jewelry box. So I have some necklaces, some earrings. And then over here I have more necklaces. I have more earrings. And then in these drawers, I don't really have any. In here, I don't have. In here, I don't have any rings. And here I have some jewelry, some earrings. And here I have you guys can't see that. And here I have a necklace. Maybe I'll move that somewhere else, but I could keep it there for now. And then this last one, my sister has her thing. It says Nicole. I think it's actually my mom's. And we also have a dime. So, yeah. And we have my award winnings from school. We still have my Five Nights at Freddy's. And we're going to put these posters up soon. Suicide Squad and Roblox. I still have my piano, but my sister gave me her vanity seat because my mom donated my ball, my yoga ball. I have my yoga ball down here, and I would play with my piano. But she gave me this because she donated it. And so my sister has a new vanity chair. And I still have this. I don't want you guys to see. So I have my brother's thingy that we're going to turn. I still have my closet. My mom cleaned my closet. And then I have a new shoe. Up there's clean. New shoes for school. Oh, I don't want you guys to see. Okay. I still have my bed. Same old, same old. And then I have my stuffed animals and stuff. I have light pictures. That's new. My mom threw away some of my slimes because she said it looked like mold was on top. But she kept one. So, yeah. Alright, here's the fun part. Oh, I also have another box of lights. And I'm going to hang up here because I think it will look pretty. Okay, so this is the exciting part. I have a trash can. I have a blue trash can. I have some curtains. I think I can take these off and then it will be like that. I want to do that tonight. I want to do that almost like right now, but I don't know. I still have my mirror. I got this new rug. It's so soft. I like it. And then I have a black wall. You want to know why I have a black wall? Okay, hopefully you can't hear this. I'm going to be talking while I grab something. So I have a black wall, and you want to know why? Well, my black wall is a chalkboard wall. It's my favorite. I can play with it almost every day. Subscribe. And then I also have wipes, so if I don't want it, then I can wipe it down. But I'm gonna get a box of Clorox wipes and keep them in my room. So yeah, keep them in my room so I don't have to keep going in and out of my room. So that was my room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed, but I want to do something. I really want to put these lights up. These are extra pairs, so because I put one up there, I'm going to put one up here. Oh, I didn't show you. I have this. This is my nickname, and I have Dream and a few things over there. Yeah, pretty cool. And it should. I just realized. All right, we're going to put these lights on because I want to. And I think I can do it myself. I obviously need to get batteries and put them in here, but I'm not going to put batteries in yet. Okay, so it's like clips, but no, I will put them on. I just want to show you what they do. So basically you put batteries in here, and then these are clips, and then on here are lights. So yeah, I like these, really cool. You hang pictures on them. Here, let me show you the photo. You hang pictures on here, so Mom is gonna have to go to the store and print off some pictures. But that's what they do. I feel it putting them on, but I don't feel like it. So I'll show you how they work. You probably already know how they work because I'm telling you, but so basically, these are lights. I can hang pictures on these clips, and it will look really cute. So let's try. I'm gonna use my stool. Looks pretty. Okay, guys, so put the box, put that in the trash can. So this is what it looks like. I just have to put batteries in here, and I need new batteries for those, and I'll be set, and my room will be cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.